Forensics teams which was with the CBI at actor Sushant Singh Rajput's residence in Mumbai have just left the residence. My colleague Sandhya Gora and Neha Kulkarni are standing by that residence. Let's go across to them. Neha and Sandhya, just give us a sense of what is happening out there right now.
See Aarti, right now Neha and I, we are outside Sushant Singh Rajput's house, and meanwhile we talk about what's happening. Let me show you around. This is the house, and it is all said that CBI teams can leave any time soon now. Before this, actually one team left, that was forensic teams. Neha, we saw that forensic teams left just now. At what time did they come? It was at around 2:30. It's been 6 hours, almost been 6 hours. If you can tell, when did they leave?
Absolutely. So it's almost been 6 hours now here that the teams have been at the residence of the late actor's house, and this is another car that is leaving right now, which we are showing you live. As you can see, the Mumbai police presence has also been there since morning to escort them, to help them. At the same time, cordon off the area from the other people. These are the live visuals that we are showing you of the car moving out. This has CBI team with them. Remember, since the morning, there's been CBI, there's been forensic team, and along with that, Neeraj and Siddharth Pitani, Neeraj being the cook, and Siddharth Pitani, who was also the creative manager of Sushant Singh Rajput. All of them are leaving all the cars along with the CBI officials, and the key witnesses who are present are leaving the residence of the late actor. These are the live visuals which we are showing you of the CBI team coming out of the actor's residence almost 6 hours after the questioning was...
Absolutely, and you can see how Mumbai police is helping out the CBI teams to leave. Doesn't look like that they are going to talk. And you can see that how the CBI teams are leaving one by one. Aarti, this is exactly how they actually came in also. CBI officers are leaving after almost 6 hours. What we believe has happened. Neeraj, you can see Neeraj leaving. Neeraj is actually leaving. Neeraj, Sushant's house help and cook. He was the one who was brought here along with Siddharth Pitani by CBI teams for the recreation of the scene of incidents. Another CBI team, you can see Aarti, is leaving. Talking about this, looks like that the work for which CBI teams were here. Now this is Nupur Prasad. Nupur Prasad is leaving. Aarti, that's Nupur Prasad, SP Nupur Prasad, who just left. Another vehicle leaving, another team of CBI leaving from the spot. Aarti, nobody is talking, of course. One by one, all the CBI teams have left. Neha, we saw Nupur Prasad also leaving. All the senior officers have left. If you can tell us about what could have happened inside, because recreation of scene of incidents was on the priority list of CBI teams here.
Absolutely, and main importantly, I would like to add that we also saw Neeraj there, the cook of Sushant Singh Rajput. He was present. Remember, it's almost been 2 days now since he has been with the CBI team, one for the round of questioning, and second year again for the recreation, which is almost gone for about 6 hours. So it is very key now to understand what is it that has gone on in the house there of the residence of the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. What were the key elements? What did the witnesses who were there present when the actor committed suicide told them? So all of this is definitely crucial. First we saw the forensic team leaving, and now the entire CBI team has left here from the residence of the late actor.
Absolutely, Neha. So Aarti, as Neha was telling us, that forensic teams were the first ones
Sandhya,
leave.
if you can hear me, I'm so sorry to interrupt you. Sandhya, forgive me for interrupting you. We're just looking at these live visuals. Correct me if I'm wrong, but are Siddharth Pitani and the house help Neeraj also with the CBI team?
Yes, absolutely. Neeraj also, if I heard you correctly, Aarti, because there was some disturbance in your audio, but Neeraj also left Neeraj also left with CBI teams here. Neeraj, Sushant's house help, Sushant's cook, a key witness. He was a key witness for Mumbai police, and so is same is the situation for CBI, because he was the one who was present in the house. Why is he an extremely important witness here? Neha is going to take us through that. Aarti, Neha was the one who actually exclusively spoke to Neeraj when he was outside Sushant's house when Bihar police team was here. So Neha, you exclusively brought Neeraj's version for us. What exactly happened? What did he say?
Yes, absolutely. So there are many elements which are absolutely key about Neeraj. The fact that he has worked with Sushant Singh Rajput for at least the past couple of months before he committed suicide. He has worked under both Sushant Singh and Riya Chakraborty. He knew both of them closely, and at the same time, he was also the one to offer that last glass of juice to the late actor. After which, the news of him dying broke out. Also, importantly, Neeraj was someone who also told us about his mental health, saying that he used to always remain happy. He would work out often. Things would be always good as far as the house is concerned. And another important element that Neeraj also told us was that the fact that nobody had visited Sushant Singh Rajput during the lockdown period. In fact, he was almost there alone. None of the relatives, none of his friends had come except for the roommates that were staying. These are the visuals which are showing you of the police also leaving from here. So as we know that according to the Supreme Court order, the Mumbai police has been asked to cooperate with the CBI in this matter. So
Which is exactly what Mumbai police is doing, Neha. Aarti, you can see. So the Mumbai police van has also left Sushant's house. Cop on the bike also following this. And this is, this is extremely different from what was happening when Bihar police teams were here. Neha, we saw that how Bihar police team, when the teams were here, there was no cooperation from Mumbai police. Not that they were bound to, because the case was extremely controversial. Mumbai police said that this was their entire case, that how Bihar police was out of jurisdiction to file a case against in this matter actually. But with CBI, it's absolutely different. You were there at Bandra police station also yesterday. What kind of cooperation you saw that was happening there? Were all the documents handed over?
Yeah, this is completely different from how the Patna police went about with the case for so many days that they were there in Mumbai. We remember that they had gone from one place to the other. Mirana team had followed them when they were in Mumbai. Even when they went to Cooper Hospital, which the CBI team did in the morning, they were not given the post-mortem records. They were not given allowed to speak to the doctor, saying that the matter is sub judice. In fact, we also understand when they came to the late actor's residence house, they hardly spent here. They spent some time, but when they asked for the details of the CCTV footage and the videography that was done, it was not given to them. So considering now the Supreme Court has given the entire case jurisdiction to CBI, we understand it's likely that they have received the post-mortem records from the hospital and they've been able to do the complete recreation of the crime scene here.
Absolutely, and Neha was mentioning the key elements here and specifically forensic evidence.
Santhya, I'm so sorry to interrupt you. Santhya, I'm so sorry to interrupt you. For all our viewers who are just joining us, the CBI team has left late actor Sushant Singh's residence. They were there to recreate the crime scene. The visuals to the left of your screen are those of the CBI team leaving the actor's house. They were there for more than 4 hours. They had gone there this afternoon. They were with the forensics team. Santhya and Neha have been following them all day long, as well as they did yesterday. Santhya, very quickly, do we know where they're going from here? Does their interrogation of Sushant and Neeraj continue at the residence where they're staying, or are they going to call it a day?
See, Aarti, as of now, they have left Sushant's residence, and it is expected that from here they are going to go to the guest house, because yesterday also this is how their day looked like. Once they finished their formalities at Bandra police station, they did leave for the guest house, and Neha was there at that time, and Neha was following the team. So Neha, yesterday also when the teams were done with their work at Bandra police station, they did leave. They went to the guest house. Today also, does it look like they're going there only, or is there any plan of finishing another aspect of the investigation?
See, till now we understand that they are in the past 2 days what they have actually done is two things. Gathered the evidence and the post-mortem details from the hospital and police station respectively, and spoken to key people who were there present in the house when the actor committed suicide. After that, they came to the crime scene here, and they have recreated the crime scene and gotten the primary evidence. Now from here on, it looks like the plan would be to speak to the other key witnesses, to speak to the other people who have been working with the actor, to speak to his family members, and all those importantly who would be knowing Riya and Sushant Singh Rajput closely. It is very important to note here as to when exactly they would be talking to Riya or her family. The fact that considering the FIR is completely based against her, so that will remain an important element. As of today, we understand that through the 6 hours evidence that they have collected from the recreation here, most likely they'll be heading back to the quarters, discussing it with their team members, the total details of whatever they've received in the past 2 days, and making a roadmap for the coming days.
Talking to the accused, taking their statements can also be an important aspect, Aarti, because Samuel Miranda, who was one of the accused in Bihar Police's FIR, and CBI's case is also based on Bihar Police's FIR. Samuel Miranda was actually questioned by CBI team, and Neha, I believe that happened at DRDO guest house itself when Samuel Miranda was also questioned by CBI, or did it happen at somewhere else?
So yesterday also the CBI team had divided themselves into different teams. One of them, we understand, remained at the DRDO guest house, where the questioning of Neeraj Singh, who was also present here at the actor's residence, happened. It went on for about more than 6 hours. The other team was at the Bandra police station, wherein we showed our viewers how they collected the case data records, the files and the laptop, which was likely of the actor. And that went on for about more than 11 hours because they were there throughout the day. They were taking the evidence, they were going through the evidence, they were taking the call data records.
Right.
And
they also questioned Samuel Miranda as well. As Neha was mentioning, Aarti, talking to the accused can also be another key element, key step which CBI teams can take.
Right. Sandhya, Neha, thank you so much for joining us, bringing us all those updates. After nearly 6 hours, the CBI team, including the forensics teams that were accompanying them, leaving the late actor's residence, recreating the crime scene. Accompanying them were the actor's flatmate, Siddharth Pitani, and also his house help, Neeraj. We're slipping into a short break.